Hey, hey, yeah. Come over here. Yeah. Come on. Hey. I just wanted to take a second and tell you two things in my kind of long career that were the most foundational moments of my life in programming. And so the first one has to do with data structures and algorithms, and specifically two things. The first one was seeing how a stack was created, really a linked list was created. Seeing a class in Java 1.5, yes, I said 1.5. It was a while ago, okay? Just seeing how a class could have a value and another field that can reference the class that it was created in, and then being able to see how memory was laid out and all that just blew my mind so much, and I became so excited about programming. I still remember that was the moment in my programming career where I went from I don't know if I like this to I absolutely love this. And then the second big one was recursion, like being able to understand recursion. I remember just taking so much time and like writing out factorial, right? The recursive way, or doing summing the recursive way, or doing the Fibonacci sequence the recursive way, or even copying the Tower of Hanoi code, which was I still don't even understand that to this day. But I remember none of those set in, and I thought, okay, I'm just not smart enough for computer science. I can't learn this. I don't understand recursion. And there was one problem specifically that we had to do for the same class that showed me LinkedIn, linked list, not LinkedIn. Very different experience on LinkedIn. But it was a maze solving algorithm, and it was super simple. And once I saw how that worked, all of a sudden it was like, I see recursion. I know recursion. Like I just knew it. I knew it, and I knew I could do it awesome, and it was one of the best experiences of my lifetime. And so the reason why I say this part is that for free on Front End Masters forever, no credit card required. Sign up. You get this. This is 11 hours. This took me effectively 200 hours to prepare. I get asked this question all the time. What is the free algorithms course that I mentioned? This is it right here. We go over lots of things, including tries, implementing a heap. We crush it, depth first search, binary search, blah, 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 blah. All the good stuff, all the algorithms, all the things that made me a good programmer to this day, we go over. And I just found it super important in my life. And so I wanted it to be super important in your life. And that's why I worked with Front End Masters. We made it free. I'm going to include a link down below. If you use the link and you do end up paying and buying a membership, then I get something, baby. That's right. We're talking about I get something then. But if you just watch it for free, I get nothing. Totally awesome. Go and do that. It is worth the time it takes because it will dramatically shape your career. And I do mean that. And so I don't know what happened. I breathed in, my like throat collapses, like the soft palate, my back, my throat. Anyways, yeah, this is all one take. You get stream brain right now. And so the second one, and the second thing that was like probably the most important or second most important thing in my life was learning how a compiler worked. This was just, I cannot tell you the amount of different tasks I've had over the years, or learning new languages, or doing things that have made such a dramatic difference in my life, and I just understood how it works. And so, like, here's a quick example. I know, again, this is going to sound crazy, but I had to used to do Groovy a bunch, right? And you'd get these errors. I could read the stack traces because I built something similar to create closures in a language that didn't have closures as part of my exercise building a compiler. And so, like, I understood what Groovy was doing underneath the hood in the JVM, and I could get it at a fundamental level where everyone else was just like, dude, what the hell's happening? They just didn't have the same experience I had. And I also could understand it with JavaScript. The reason why I could understand JavaScript so quickly is because I got it. I understood what was happening because I've built something similar. Building a compiler will +1 your understanding of any programming language just like so much faster. It is just incredible what it does. And so that's why also, again, I know this is crazy. We've been building this on stream right here. You can use code THEPRIMEAGEN. You get 30% off. I get $0 from this one. I get nothing. This is not a sponsorship. This is not an ad. Thorsten Ball, amazing writer, makes an incredible book. It is literally 30% for you, 0% for me. 70% for Thorsten. He's a great guy, and he agreed that he would like to just help get people this out. I think this is super important. And you can also join in on all the fun on the repo right now. We're just trying to get this interpreter built in a whole bunch of different languages. We actually got quite a few right now. I really need help managing this. The pull requests are coming in faster than I can do. Like, what the hell? Why do we got Chat Jippity coming in here and actually, like, look at this. We're proofed engineering. He's proofed engineering. Anyway, so it's like, building an interpreter or building a compiler will also just be something that will +1 your career so much. It makes such an incredible difference in how you look at a programming language if you understand how it works, not at just the surface level or you explaining to someone else who understands programming, but at the underneath the covers level. And so I just wanted to take the time and tell you the two most important things in my career that I can kind of look back on. There's a few other important ones. Maybe we'll go over those at another time. But I wanted to talk about those two just due to how important they were to me and the fact that I can even remember so many moments almost 15, 20 years later, like in the class I can remember. It's hard to describe how important it was to me. So I hopefully you like this. Hey, hit the sub button, hit the like button, do all those things you got to do. Because if you don't do that, then I'm sad. You want a Satagen? Is that what you want? The name? It's the Satagen. I got to press the stop button because this is all one take.